Customer Credit Note. In Sage Business Cloud Accounting, customer credit notes are used to document any returns, refunds, or adjustment you make to customers' account. There are financial documents that reduce the balance due on an original invoice, providing a way to credit customers for items they have returned, discounts they are giving, or mistakes that need correction. Here's breakdown of how they work in Sage and the steps involved in using them. Key process of customer credit notes. Return and refunds. When a customer returns products, you create a credit note to reduce their outstanding balance. Discount adjustment. If you need to give a discounts or credit an overcharge, a credit note adjustment in the original invoice's balance. Record keeping and compliance. Properly recorded credit notes help ensure accurate financial reporting and aid in tracking all customer account adjustments. Features of customer credit notes in Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Automated invoice adjustment. When a credit note is linked to invoice, Sage automatically adjusts the invoice balance, ensuring an accurate representation of the customer's current balance. Real-time updates. Credit notes update immediately in the system, so the account receivable reflect in the last date adjustments. Flexible credit note application. Credit notes can be applied to specific invoices or left as general credit to be used for future transactions. Customer statement integration. Credit notes are visible in customer statements, providing transparency on account adjustments. Step 2. Create a customer credit note in Sage. Assess the sale area. Navigation to customer section in Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This is where you manage all customer related documents, including invoices and credit notes. Create a new credit note. Click New Credit Note. You will be promoted to a select similar to the invoice creation process. Enter credit note details. Input the credit note number. Sage may automatically generate one. Choose the associate customer. This links the credit note to their account. Apply to invoice or leave open. If the credit note applies to a specific invoice, select the invoice. Sage will reduce the balance on this invoice. Alternatively, leave the credit notes as an open credit on the customer's account to be used for the future invoices. Select or add item you are crediting. If the credit note is not for return, select the same item or service from the original invoice. Set quantities and unit prices, making sure they match the credit adjustment needed. Add tax details if necessary to ensure that the credit note align with tax regulations. Review and save. Review the information for accuracy. Click Save or Save and Close to finalize the credit note. It will now appear in the customer's record and in accounts receivable. Managing customer credit notes. Viewing and tracking. You can view all issued credit notes under Sales Credit Notes, where each note is itemized. Applying to invoice later. If you initially leave a credit note open, you can apply it to an invoice at the later date, either partially or fully. Reversing or deleting credit notes. Mistaken credit notes can be edited or deleted. Through it, advisable to create a separate reversing entry for accurate records. Reporting and financial impact. Accounts receivable reporting. Credit notes immediately reflect in accounts receivable reports, adjusting the total owed by customers. Customer statements. Credit notes appear on customer statement as reductions in balance, ensuring transparency. Impact on sales and tax reports. Credit notes reduce the total taxable sales and may impact sales tax reports. It's essential to ensure tax compliance by recording credit notes correctly, especially in jurisdictions with stringent tax regulations. Best practices for using credit notes. Consistent numbering. Use a consistent numbering system for tracking and audit purposes. Attach explanations. Add detailed notes or descriptions within each credit notes to provide context for future reference. Monitor open credits. Regularly review any open credit notes to ensure they are appropriately applied or resolved in a timely manner. By following these practices, you can effectively manage customer credit notes in Sage Business Cloud Accounting, ensuring accurate and compliant financial records that also enhance customer satisfaction.